Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to turn on read receipts on Instagram DM. So for this purpose, first you need to open Instagram app on your mobile phone. Then at the bottom right corner, you have your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, then your profile page will appear on your screen. Here at the top right corner, you have this main menu button. Tap on it. Then settings and activity page will appear on your screen. Here scroll down to how others can interact with you. Here you find the option of messages and story replies. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of show read receipts. Click on it. So here you can see that read receipts option is now activated. For turning off it, you can tap on this button and you can see it's turned off. There's one more way. Go to home page and go to the option of messages at the top right corner. Then choose the chat of any friend and click on their name. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of privacy and safety. Click on it. Then here you can see the option of read receipts. Once you click on it, you can see you can turn off read receipts. But once you tap on it, you can see you can turn on read receipts on Instagram DM. So this is the easiest way to turn on read receipts on Instagram DM. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.